Our project for presentation is navigate using Lisee Technology. My name is Am Osman Makbul Bhutta, and the partner is mine is Liang Qing, and you can see this project is kind of the joint collaboration of both the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology and the City University of Hong Kong. We both guys work for the in the RAM lab. So I will let's start for the presentation. So here is the very quick presentation plan on this topic. So I will start from the vision statement about the Lisee Technology, and then I will introduce a very quick introduction about how did we get here and the today market situation. Then I will tell you about product, our goals and objective, customers, then our aim, and then here's some implementation ideas about this technology to use, and then some extra things. So at the end I will try to give you much time for the questions and answers if you want to ask something. Okay. So our main vision is to provide an intelligent, low-cost indoor navigation system with a very quick integration and high precision results. So I think this vision can tell you our idea more clear. Is basically the indoor navigation system can be used anywhere. So basically Lisee can be for consumers, for indoor navigation and localization, and of course for the venue managers or owners to optimize their environmental layout according to the people behavior. So yeah, actually we are working on the VLC based localization since 2016. So here are some work we have done, like a related hardware platform assembly of some standard lights like T6, T8 standards, some pattern modeling. It's related to communication part, of course the mixed visible light signal decomposition and some other. And the last one is very important, like path planning within the proposed model and localization validation in the realistic environment. So I'm not going to go in details about this work. My idea is to make it simpler for you to understand how this can be possible and implementable. Okay, yeah, so what we did, what we got in results, our experimental prototype has a localization precision for indoor environment up to 10 centimeter. And because as we are from a robotic and perception lab, so we are very good in mapping, indoor mapping using LiDAR scanner and using robots of any given environment. And the main thing is for replacement of the standard lights with you can see the economical, low cost our light systems, and the good thing is we don't need to change the ceiling plan. I will tell you later how it's going to work. Okay, so our product basically involves the lighting system and smartphone APIs for the mobile apps, so that the venue owners or manager, they can use our APIs to get the data, and cloud service for the consumers. For labeling device, is for not for the, it's for some projects for that can be used for in library where people need to navigate to the books, and other in a supermarket where if somebody wants to go to find some product or something. And the last part is mapping. So we need these 5 things to use the Lisee technology. Okay, so you can see the light from the ceiling is come to the camera system of your mobile phone, and then it can localize where you are, because we have the precision up to 10 centimeter for in the indoor environment. So after that, like this information is shared with the cloud and then with the managers venue. So venue owners, they can change the layout if they want according to the interest of their people. So yeah, it's a very quick product introduction. So yeah, after the like localization, like of course the user phone is position aware. So it's the of course like so because using our API, the venue owner use this information to optimize their layout if they need any changes. And yeah, some top companies are also working on this idea, which involves like Qualcomm and equity brands, Philips and General Electric. So these are the top competitors which are using the VLC-based technology. So what's the difference? Like how can we compete with them? So our objective is first the replacement or the integration should be like low cost and with very fast integration and easy usages, and for high illuminant the light system with of course the low power consumption. And the last very important part is the precise location. So because the companies like General Electric companies and other like they need to change the ceiling plan, but in our case we don't need to change the ceiling plan. We just replace the lights with our standard light systems, LED lights, and it's not very costly. Okay, and yeah, here's some target market about the where we can implement in China, US, and European Union and Hong Kong. There are 80 plus places. So yeah, this is our aim, to integrate the Lisee technology everywhere. And starting from the HKUST, we got funding support about 160,000 Hong Kong dollar to implement the Lisee technology for the students to navigate to the books within the library environment. So hopefully by the next year we will implement this thing to the HKUST library. So yeah, so for the supermarket we are also providing a very robust smart card, so that user also, like if they don't have like want to use their phones, they can just use the card, and if using their card system it can navigate inside the store. And yeah, this is can be like Mr. Chen from MTR and from here, so maybe can be just full for him. So it's a very quick video that shows how this technology is going to work. Some modulated LED slides, so that the people can navigate inside the environment. And yeah, so this is the last thing. So we are going to beyond for the static environment, like to make it dynamic. For example, in some emergency case, like the people are moving in a train, so that the encryption codes of this, there also keep changes all the time to tell the in case of in any emergency, like where is the people in trouble, so that they can automatically update the code. So yes, it's a very quick presentation, and you can ask question now.